Nike X Harris Tweed Multicolor is a standout limited edition sneaker that combines heritage craftsmanship with bold streetwear style. Featuring hand-woven wool panels from the iconic Scottish Harris Tweed, each pair showcases a unique mix of patterns and colors, giving the shoe a distinct identity. While the upper commands attention with its textured design, classic dunk elements like the padded collar, perforated toe box, and signature sole remain untouched, preserving its timeless appeal. Ideal for fall and cooler months, the warm wool material adds both comfort and visual depth. The bold Nike Swoosh contrasts the multicolored tweed, creating a balanced look that feels both vintage and modern. More than just a sneaker, it's a creative reinterpretation of traditional textiles in today's fashion culture. This release isn't just for collectors, it's made for those who want to stand out with a functional yet stylish pair that effortlessly merges storytelling, fashion, and comfort in one drop.